expenses.
All right, okay. What's the hurry? Hey, those expenses aren't going anywhere. We're always going to have expenses, right?
No.
Okay. We just had a busy month last month. The expenses we're going to be doing today are from July 10th till present. Well, actually, August 10th. Today, I believe, is like the 15th of August. But first, I'd like to just thank you guys for watching and staying with us through all the drama with the YouTube, disabling our comments and then enabling our comments, and then
I know that's crazy, really crazy, because
they did it twice. They
yeah,
disabled
everybody's happy. Like, thank you that your comments is back now. We can do comments, and all of a sudden, the comments is missing again.
They did it again. It's been we had about a week where we had comments and could talk back and forth. It was great.
Yeah.
And so we miss it, but
we miss you guys, but
we can't control that.
yeah.
And they did it to other channels we know on Bohol and all over. So it's well, I mean, this is just here in the Philippines, but they've done it in the United States as well. So I don't know what they're doing, but anyhow, let's move on. We'll do the expenses. And we'll see if we know what we're doing with these expenses, huh?
Yeah, this month is kind of I mean, too much for us, because we went to Bohol and we went to Cebu for a road trip.
Yeah, and those are the things that can really blow your budget. Our normal budget runs around 1,500 USD to 1,700. That's like where we like to keep it. If we owned a home free and clear over here, you know, we can knock that down about $800 per month. So you can live pretty cheap over here if you have your home paid off, which a lot of people do in the Philippines, it seems. You know, that's a good thing if you can get it. And a lot of people, foreigners, are coming over with a lot of cash because they've sold their overpriced homes in the States. And you guys are probably lucky to get that big money, but anyway, they're over here building homes for cash, and that's the way to go.
Yeah.
So yeah, you can live really good once you get to that point. Otherwise, like in our case, we're still paying rent, but we're free to keep looking and traveling, so we don't mind that. So let's get right to the expenses. I'll tell you first the actual rent expenses and the utilities this month. And since we were vacant here from the apartment for you were gone 3 weeks. I was gone 1 week in Cebu. No, 1 week in Bohol and 1 week in Cebu. So you were gone a total, actually, if you include Cebu, you were
4
gone.
weeks.
You were gone a whole month, basically.
The whole month, yes.
And I was here a lot by myself. Okay, but it was quiet.
He's alone.
A little boring, but very peaceful.
Yeah.
Okay.
You miss us anyway.
Oh yeah, I missed you guys. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do the deal here. Okay, our normal rent is 30,000 pesos per month, which for the U.S. dollar is 600 U.S. dollars just for the rent. And I'll just try to keep this on the pesos because you guys can do your own conversions, you know, around the world. But I might put in some of our conversions just for the U.S. people that want to know quickly. But the next expense was the electric bill, which is always the one to be most concerned with as far as your second highest bill usually for your rental or your housing. And we have 2 air conditioning units here. We use them quite a bit. But as I say, Maurice and Brianna and the baby were gone for most of the month, so I just used 1 air conditioning unit. So looks like our the electric bill went down from last month. This month it was 3,969 pesos, and
You use a lot.
yeah.
By yourself.
Well, that's about not really. Well,
I'm just kidding.
I don't know. That was about $80 USD. The water bill is $2.50. It's $5 USD. Internet is $12.50. That's 25 US dollars.
By the way, we have a good Wi-Fi now.
Oh yeah, by the
Very
way,
good.
Thank you Marpaz for improving
Yeah,
the
thank
Wi-Fi.
you.
It's good, very good. And cable TV is $4.10, and that's $8.20. Wait, 410. What is that? $8.20.
Yes.
Okay, and we had no gas bill because our gas tank has lasted us 2 months so far. We expect it to go dry anytime, right in the middle of a
This
meal,
month.
probably.
Yeah.
We should just change it now. But that one, I forget how much it is, like over like 1,200 pesos? Something, I don't know.
900?
I don't know. We'll get to that later.
Yeah, we'll
We
get
didn't
it
have
later.
it, so don't worry about it. Mineral waters, we had 4 mineral waters and 80 pesos each, so it's 160 on our mineral waters, which is $3.
No, 40 pesos each. That's
Oh,
two.
yeah, two mineral waters for 80 pesos, so it's
Uh-huh.
40 each. And we had a grand total of 4 mineral waters. So once again, you were gone, so we used a lot less.
Mhm.
And the laundry loads also, we used a lot less. We had 210 on laundry. Oh, what's the total? Let's just do the total.
210,
I already see it. It's
300.
780.
270.
780 pesos on
Yeah.
the laundry. They charge by the kilo, and they pick it up and do the laundry and fold it and bring it back. We do the ironing usually, but they will do that also if you want for an extra fee. So the grand total for our monthly here at Marpaz in Valencia, Negros Oriental, was 36,819 pesos.
Yeah, how much is that in dollar?
That's 700 and
11?
that's $730. I'll put it down here. I had it, but I forgot it. It's somewhere around $730 grand total. That's USD. All right, so that just takes care of the basic rental expenses. And one of the things we've talked about before, which is a reality, is that you have your basic expenses, but then there's always something that comes up. I mean, it could be a medical bill, it could be an unexpected trip, or it could be 2 excursions like we had last month. So we really went over our budget.
That was a good vacation though.
Yeah, it was good. When you consider all that we did, we think it was worth it. So do you want to go ahead and add on to our basic expenses?
All right, I'm
What
gonna
you have?
read to you guys our basic expenses. So the 2,100 pesos is the ocean jet. The 3 of us, John, me, and Brianna. Bryson is free. On the way to the Bohol, So I just add John also. So that's the 2,100 pesos.
Yeah, because I came later,
Yeah, he came later, so I just add
but
in
then we
there.
all went back together.
Yes. And the 15,000 pesos, it's $300. That's the money I spent in the village, including food. And the hotel is the one on the time that my mom's house is no aircon yet, and I had to take Bryson to the hotel with the aircon on there because he cannot sleep in the village. So that's included in my expenses right here. And also the kids' diaper, everything that they need. So that's I spent over there, 15,000
So in
pesos.
hotels over there, you spent one night at the waterfront and Watergate, and
Yeah,
3
and
nights.
3 nights in Arbella Hotel.
Okay.
And 6,000 pesos is the Dumuluan Hotel Resort. We spent 1 night over there, $120.
Remember, we were going to spend 3 nights, but
Yeah.
we weren't happy with the service and
Yeah,
this and that.
yeah.
So we
we
did
have
it.
we have review in Dumuluan Beach Resort if you want to see it.
Yeah,
We tell the truth.
yeah.
Yeah.
We enjoyed the beach. It's beautiful there.
Yeah, we like the beach.
Okay.
Okay. Then the 1,000 pesos is the McDonald's. We stopped over there because we were hungry. We're driving on the way to Dumuluan Beach, and we saw McDonald's. And John,
Well, I know the food isn't very good at Dumoulin, so believe it or not, McDonald's is better than the food at Dumoulin. So it looked like that McDonald's was brand new, so I just stopped in there and got a big bag of, junk food, but it tasted pretty good.
I know, but Mom is
Okay.
funny because after she looked at you buying a lot of those things, what did you buy at that time, hamburger?
Burgers and stuff.
Yeah,
fries
and Mom said, "Wow, this is the food of the rich people."
I think that's the food of the rich people over there.
Because you
they,
never tried those things.
Well, they don't get it. It's a luxury.
Yeah.
And it's really overpriced, really, if you think about it. But it's,
And I was thinking McDonald's in America is kind of the junk, and Mom says, "Oh my God, this is the food of the rich people."
yeah, funny perceptions there. But yeah, that was good once we got there to Dumoulin. That was a long drive all the way down from Bohol from Talibon.
Talibon
Yeah,
to
Trinidad. Down
Trinidad,
to,
yeah, from the village to Dumuluan Beach.
Yeah, we had to get to Pangla Island. So,
Mhm.
that McDonald's actually tasted pretty good after that long drive.
Yeah, that was a big brand new McDonald's in Panglao.
Okay.
Okay, continue. 1,500 pesos is we give it to Arwan for the gas
Oh,
in the
Armin's her
car.
brother.
Yeah, my brother Arman, our eldest brother.
Yeah, he chauffeured us around, so we gave him some gas money.
Yeah. And 1,500 pesos is the tricycle that we ride over here all the way to the pier. That's back and forth. Me and Brianna and then John all the way then coming back is
Yeah.
500 pesos
To
one way.
catch the ocean jet.
Yeah, so 1,500 pesos. 2,100 pesos, that's the ticket, ferry ticket, ocean jet from Bohol to here. So that's the three of us.
Oh, back the other way.
Back, yeah. Back here. From Bohol, then Dumaguete. Right there, 2,100.
Now that's...
That's on the way there.
Oh, you did it separate.
Yeah,
you did
separate.
2 separate
Yeah,
trips. Okay, right.
Yeah.
Okay. So really the total, well, we won't confuse it, but
The total is 4,200.
yeah, for all the ocean jets.
Back
we
and
did.
forth, yeah.
Whole thing, yeah, okay.
Then, the van road trip to Cebu is 10,000 pesos, $200.
It's actually $200 or 10,000 pesos one way, but we had our friend Tony join us. He wanted to go up there too and get out for a little fresh air. So he split it with us, which is nice. So
Yeah.
we each had to pay 5,000 pesos each way. So actually 10,000 round trip for each of us. So we just calculated 10,000 on our van road trip to Cebu and back for us.
Yes.
So and that is $200.
And then the Cebu Hotel, the Parkland for 5 nights, including a very nice breakfast buffet, is 15,708 pesos. It's $308.
$308, correcto.
Yeah.
And thank you very much, Park Lane, for a great service and
Yeah, it was
very,
very
very good food. Yeah, and the morning buffet is really nice.
Very good.
Yeah, they really
Yeah.
put some effort into that.
Okay. Then the 9,000 pesos is the dinner buffet for 5 nights and eating out.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're like fancy people over there.
Spoiled. Eating out, wasting, well, having fun. It was
Yeah.
enjoyable and very
yeah.
pleasant. Yeah, very pleasant.
Yeah, we have a good time. We celebrate my birthday and our 12-year anniversary, so we cannot complain.
No?
And 5,000 pesos is John's food by himself here in Valencia while we are in Bohol.
I know, I didn't eat very much, did I? 5,000 pesos, that's only $100, and I was here 3 weeks by myself.
He's eating
2 weeks
mango.
by myself? No, I was here 2 weeks by myself.
He's eating mango only.
Yeah, I found something else to eat besides mango. Okay,
And then 500 pesos is the motorcycle gas.
Yeah.
500 pesos?
yeah.
Okay, 3,000 pesos is miscellaneous.
Yeah, like one miscellaneous I can think of right now, I had to register the motorcycle, and I believe that was 1,200 pesos right there. Because I had to pay the registration, annual registration for that motorcycle.
And you bought pillows in the village.
I bought some pillows in the village, a couple pillows,
Towels,
some bedding, so, yep.
So the total of all of these basic expenses is 72,408 pesos. And then I add our rent, monthly rent over here is, the total is 36,819. So I add that. So the total overall is 227,000 pesos.
Pesos, 109,227
Pesos.
pesos.
And then I converted it to dollars is
Grand total,
$2,141. We ate so much money.
so we
to
blew
us.
our budget for the month, and
Yeah.
that's what happens. So it's always something you got to keep in mind, everybody, you know. So you don't come over here, well, if you don't want to, if you're on a limited budget, you just can't, you got to be careful.
Yeah.
You can't do all that stuff, you know, especially, you know, we have a family too, so that's
Yeah.
more expensive.
Well, we don't go vacation every month, so like
We should
you know.
every month go one place. We have to go a place. That's our goal. One place new every month, and
Yeah.
and just deal with it. And we may have to-
Sometimes you don't wanna feel like spending money, so we'll just stay right here. But if you wanna blow out money, that's the time we have to keep going vacation.
blow out money. That is so disrespectful.
Oh my God.
Of money.
Yeah. So,
that's what happens, isn't it?
but that was the best vacation.
Yeah,
And,
that was nice. It was nice to get away.
And looking forward for more.
I know. So if you're coming over to the Philippines, you can do it if you stay home more and just take it easy. And if you own your home free and clear, or get that rent down. Our rent is considered high by many people here. We hear about it all the time from other people. But we have advantages and benefits that we like, and so we deal with it for now. You know, we deal with it, and we get treated well over here. So yeah, and you have a family. Once again, you know, you have to maybe just enjoy more of those benefits and not worry about it so much. But there will be a time when we'll get our another place. At some point, we want to get a larger place because we need to spread out a little more.
Yeah, especially we have kids.
Yeah.
Running around.
And Johnny would like to have a private office for himself.
He likes to have a man cave.
Man cave, yeah. I got to make a man cave for me.
Yeah.
I used to have a great man cave in the States in my
that was
different
in
houses. Several of them, but yeah. I like having my own office, you know, I can shut the door. And
you have in Dayton, we have a nice house. You close the door with your office in there.
yeah, and it's at the other end of the house, the whole other end of the house. Nice view of the street, nice double doors going into my office with my books and my computers and stuff.
If I need him, I have to call him because he's in the office.
No, I had an intercom. I made her call me first for an appointment.
Yeah. So, get out in there.
Yeah, she just came and knocked on the door and drug me out of there. No, it's fun.
That was fun, yeah.
So, I'm sorry you guys can't comment now. I guess you have to contact us through that Gmail account, which we're kind of slow at getting back to people, but we do get back on that one.
But I do remember all of you commenting. I said, oh, this is our people. It's back on, but now it's black again. But I remember everybody.
Okay, well, I guess that wraps up our expenses for July 2019. And now, before we go, let's go see what Brianna and Bryson are doing.
Brianna's really good babysitter, and now I told her to watch Bryson while we're doing the video, so we're gonna sneak what we're doing.
Okay, we're gonna go check it out, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye everybody. Bye. What you guys doing?
Mom, Bryson rolled over just now.
Look at that baby Bryson and Brianna.
Bryson rolled over just now.
Bryson, you looking at Daddy? Look at the camera. Oh, you want to fetch the camera?
Come on. How much time Bryson rolled over now? He rolled over here.
106. You're a really good babysitter.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Yeah, and Bryson said his first word.
What did she say?
Joy. Joy.
Joy?
Joy.
Oh.
Oh, that's an interesting word. Are you guys okay back here?
Yeah.
Bye.
I think he
wants to touch the camera.
Yeah, I think he wants to hit it too.
Yeah, you boy. Yeah, you boy.
You're so good, boy.
Hey pretty baby, am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you, yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you, yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. Hey little lady, said you feel the same, but I don't believe a word you say. Cause I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want.